What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Makita's 4-speed impact driver. It's model number XDT12T. Yo, did you hear that? Like rhymed. It's got a lot of crazy features I'm looking at right now. It says quick shift mode, downshifts. Feels like back in the day when I used to drive stick shift. Yeah, let's get it started. So this is the Makita. A lot of people have been asking for this thing on the channel. Quite frankly, I love Makita tools. I was really interested to get it in. It is brushless. This is the 18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless quick shift mode 4-speed impact driver kit. 18V lithium-ion. It says quick shift mode, downshifts, up to 3,600 max RPMs. That's a lot of RPMs, I gotta tell you. It's coming with, this is a kit form, it's coming with two 5-amp-hour batteries. The Makita charger, which is really scientific. It's got a lot of bells and whistles. It charges those batteries really quick and really cool. It's got a little chime too, I like it. It sings a tune to you when it's done. It's like, ding. Yo, if you want to see it in action, you could go on over to this video here. Okay, so caution. These tools, the kit might, under certain, it says if damaged. Okay, let's see what it says on the back here. BL motor, BL brushless motor delivers 1,550 inch-pounds of max torque. All metal gear housing for increased job site durability, built-in twin LED lights, on-tool LED battery charge indicator, which is kind of nuts because they have it on the tool, plus they have it on the battery now. And the one on the battery is 4 bars, the one on the tool is 3 bars. It's a little, okay, compact at only 4 5/8 inches and weighs only 3.3 pounds. We're gonna verify that. Now, I want to see what this says. It says quick shift modes, automatic control of downshift speeds to minimize screw head stripping, screw breakage, and damage to work. Pretty cool. 4-speed power selector switch, 0 to 3,600 RPMs, and 0 to 3,800 impacts per minute. Speed 3 is 0 to 3,200, 0 to 3,600, 0 to 2,100, 0 to 2,600 in speed 2, and finally speed 1, 0 to 1,100 and 0 to 1,100 IPMs. Wow. It's got upgraded LED battery charge indicator on the battery. What else does it say? The rapid charging system. We talked about that before. It's got a lot going on here. The 5-amp-hour battery should take 45 minutes. If you were to bump it up to a 6-amp-hour battery, it should take 55 minutes. A 4-amp-hour battery only is supposed to take 40 minutes. Go check that video. I will not confirm or deny those claims in this video here. You'll need to go there. Expanded line up, powered by 18V LXT lithium-ion battery. Yo, I will say this. The line of tools is unbelievable. I mean, you could get an impact driver or you could get a cordless wheelbarrow. Wait a minute, Vince. Aren't all wheelbarrows cordless? Yeah, but this one's powered. Unbelievable from Makita. And this best fit, it's almost a guarantee. Best fit, ergonomically designed for increased comfort, best fit with even pressure and easy control. You could almost say that these Makita tools are made to fit the human hand. I don't know where I would come up with something like that. It's a very bold claim, but they could. All right, let's move on. Let's get the box open. And one thing that Makita does really well in the business, in the biz, is they give you nice boxes, nice cases. They also give you very minimal literature here. It's not even from them. So we got the box. We got a little zip tie. That means that's going to have to meet my Microtech OTF. Whoa! You know, the great thing about the Microtech knives, they're made right here in America. Love them. If you want to see an unboxing and have Microtech knife, all you got to do, go right here. Check it out. Really awesome, nice piece. Now, on to the Makita. What I like about these cases is they give you additional storage here in the top of the box. Take a look at that. So you can put bits. You might even be able to put, you could put extra bits though. Pretty cool. I like that. I really like that. Then we open the case. We open the box. Let's see what's in there. Look at that. Look at these little look at these clips. Really nice. We open the box. We're met with literature. The expansive line. My favorite, though, is the robotic cleaner. It's a robot vacuum. Who wouldn't love that? They also have heated jacket, heated vest, kind of similar to the one I have here from Milwaukee. This is the Axis jacket. If you wanted to see an unboxing or review, go to the playlist here. Go check it out. The one thing Makita has that I'm not aware of anybody else having is right next to the heated jackets are the fan jackets. Like, literally, they're pretty much cooling jackets. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have our manuals, some reading literature. So you have your multi-volt charger. It's pretty funny. It does not, the multi-volt charger, it charges their lithium ion platform, 14.4 to 18 volts, right? Or the nickel metal whatever, metal. What is it? Hydride? Nickel, whatever. Let me know down in the comment section below. What does that stand for? Ni-MH. This is the thing. It does not charge their 12-volt platform, which is kind of a bummer. It doesn't fit. So, you're getting two in this kit. You are getting two of the 5 amp hour batteries from Makita. Oh, look at it, boxed. Look at it, bagged up real nice. The batteries weigh 1 pound, 6 ounces, even. Unbelievable. It comes with a nice belt clip. The tool itself has a nice feeling. I got a feeling. Woo-hoo. We have to zero this thing out. Is 1 pound, 15.3 ounces for tool only. You know, but a cordless tool by itself and a battery by itself is useless, right? This is, like, people are like, oh, the power is in the battery. Yeah, but it's untapped power. It's an untapped resource until you put them together. And then amazing things happen when you combine the two. But let's see how much they weigh first. 3 pounds, 5.8 ounces, or OZs. Let's get a total length of the tool from bow to stern. For all you Navy boys out there, you got 4.63 inches. You know, my cousin was in the Navy. He was on the Missouri. He was a navigator on the ship. Biggest guns in all the U.S. Navy. Not my cousin, the ship. His guns are pretty big too, though, I gotta tell you. The widest part at the top of the tool is like the motor housing or the motor cap. You got 2.52 inches. And at the bottom of the tool, the widest point, it's 3.06 inches. I lied. It's 3.60 inches. Take a look at that. And the total height of the tool with... Oh! Oh, God. I did it again. You're looking at a total height of 9.29 inches. So it's pretty compact, in my opinion. I will say, it is nice and compact. It feels nice. The selector switch for forward and reverse feels good. The battery slides on easier than it comes off, which I know it sounds odd. Pretty cool though. We've got a battery indicator here at the top of the tool. We also have a light switch, right? Light off, light on, I'll assume full on, right? And then you assume too much. So we have a switch for the light here. Light on, and then you could turn the light off if you're running this tool in a covert operation. It says 4 speeds, but there's actually a 5th speed. It's the T speed, T. It's called tightening. When it says finishing, tightening and finishing is required for like self-tapping screws. That's pretty much what the literature says. Tightening, self-drilling screws. Tightening when speed and good finishing are needed. Number 1's a soft mode. Number 2 is a medium. Number 3 is hard. And then number 4 is max. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 modes. Purpose, tightening screws with better control, maximum blows. So it looks like in auto mode, it will go from maximum all the way to T mode. Example of application, tightening long screws. Whoa. Oh, it does accept it. Look at that. All right, let's go see what this auto mode does. Left it proud. That was different. That was definitely different. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. But it does give you some control. It left it proud. Stopped it right before it was totally sunk. It didn't start the screw too quick. Feels pretty nice, I gotta tell you. I'm really looking forward to exploring this tool more, if you know what I mean. And if you're looking forward to us exploring this tool more, then smash the like button. Also, let us know. What do you think we should do with this tool? How should we test it? Let us know down in the comment section below. Also, if you're not already, make sure you're getting subscribed and tapping the bell notification, because we're known for doing a tool deal video here and there. If you're interested in this Makita at a good price, we could potentially one day do a tool deal that could save you tons of money, right? I mean, why spend more when you could spend less? With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks for taking a look at this unboxing with us. Everybody, we'll see you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.